super excited because today we have our 24 week checkup for our little guy. Rub that belly, rub that. I will admit that I'm nervous, but like excited. I'm excited, but I'm a little nervous.
He always gets nervous because he just wants to make sure everything's going okay.
I just want to know. Like, I hate not knowing. Just tell me what's up right now. And we had our
second trimester screen.
Yeah, we had that
a couple weeks ago.
That was like a month ago.
No, it was a couple weeks ago.
That was like a month ago.
Seriously, a couple weeks ago, because we had it at like 22 weeks.
It was like a month ago. It feels like it's been forever, and I just want to know what the results are. So we're gonna find that out. I'm excited.
Me too.
Let's go find out. So we just got out.
You're so cute.
And everything, they said the second trimester screening, everything came back normal. Yeah. Everything's totally fine with any abnormalities. Wait.
Abnormalities? That was really weird the way you said that.
There was no abnormalities. And so he's sounds and feels and looks completely healthy. Man. I love hearing that.
And they gave me this special concoction. My next appointment, I have to do the glucose test. Thankfully, they have the dye-free version, at least. You guys know I like to eat healthier.
Yeah, but here's the ingredients. So it's glucose, it's water, dextrose, glucose from corn.
Fun. And natural flavors.
Natural flavors, sodium benzoate. Why not just drink like a vegetable juice or something?
She said you could do the orange juice, but it's not as reliable because they don't know the amount of sugar in each orange juice. That's why. And we got to hear his heartbeat again.
I love hearing his heartbeat every single time.
Sounds good and strong.
It sounded so good. Yeah. I thought it was yours at first. It's a little human. And
you guys, he just said the name. We're gonna believe. The only people that know the name are his dad and brother, my parents and my brother, because we don't want to tell anyone because we could totally change. Is that lady just staring at us? What was I gonna say? What was I even saying? Oh, we're pretty set on the name, but you never know, like he could come out of the womb and we're like, this is his name and it's completely different. So.
Yeah. We've been on the road for what feels like 9 hours, but it's been about half hour. Super excited to be going back up to Northern California, baby.
For the weekend, my mom's throwing me a baby shower with our family and family friends, so that's gonna be really fun.
I can make this trip pretty good. It's about a 7-hour trip.
Yeah.
But
and he drives the whole time. I never. I mean, I offer to, but he just like, no, I'll drive.
Little things like stopping at Chick-fil-A get me through, or stop and get like an iced tea or something.
Guess what we got?
Cheek.
Woohoo!
My buns are gluten-free tea.
So we just made it. Mom made some delicious lasagna. She made us gluten-free lasagna. Carrots. Ooh, steamed carrots. Yummy. Today's Friday and we're all ready to go have some lunch.
Jack's Urban Eats.
Which is up here in Northern California. It's really good. We haven't eaten there in a long time.
Yes, it is.
Oh, and look at this cool shelf my dad made for us. This will be for the baby's room. And we're also gonna use it as at the baby shower. It's a rainy day. This is one thing we miss living in Southern California. We sometimes get rain, but you guys get rain a lot more than we do. Look who joined us. got a build your own salad, breaded too. These are the urban fries. I got some garlic fries that are coming out when our food has been devoured.
We're at one of our favorite places, Whole Foods. The closest one to where we live is like over an hour away. The only time we can get to one is when we drive 7 hours away. Just getting some snacks and some bratwurst, chicken sausage, and some what?
Face masks for tonight. We're all gonna do them.
And we're gonna barbecue some hamburgers, play a game, eat some
Oh, I'm so
stuff.
excited, guys, because we're gonna play Settlers.
Catan.
Catan.
Settlers of Catan.
Yeah, and I've always wanted to play that game.
Super excited.
So we were editing this vlog and we realized that we never closed out this video.
Now I'm in my jammies and Lisa's like, we gotta film an outro, dude.
We've been having a lazy day.
Lazy and closed, but we've been productive.
Yeah, but I just wanted to say my baby shower was so much fun. My mom did such an incredible job with the decor, the food, like the games, everything. Like, we just felt so blessed, and everybody that came and like the gifts they got, like I was overwhelmed by how much stuff everybody got us. It was crazy.
I mean, I knew people were gonna get stuff, but it was overwhelming.
Yeah, so thank you to my mom. She did such an awesome job. We felt so blessed. And thank you to all our family and family friends that came out to celebrate with us. Baby shower 1 of 2 is down. We got another one coming in June with all our church family. We're gonna go ahead and close out this video, but we wanted to remind you guys.
We're doing an Instagram giveaway, so go follow me on Instagram. Follow Lisa on Instagram. We're giving away a $50 Amazon gift card. That was cheesy.
So go check out our posts on both of our Instagrams for that and how to enter. But we love you guys, and we'll see you in our next vlog. Bye.
Hashtag.